Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to understand how to add IndiaMART leads to ConvertKit as subscribers. So I am a seller on IndiaMART and I am receiving new leads over there. So engaging with all that leads manually is a very hectic task. So here in this case I want whenever I receive a new lead in my IndiaMART account, then automatically using that lead details, a new subscriber should be created in my ConvertKit account as well so that I can send personalized emails to all the leads. So here to build this connection, I need to connect these applications using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to understand how to add IndiaMART leads to ConvertKit as subscribers. So as I've already mentioned in my introduction that I run a business and I get a lot of leads from IndiaMART. So here on my screen you can see my IndiaMART account, and here managing and following up with each lead manually is tough and I don't want to miss any potential customers. So here in this case I want whenever I receive a new lead in my IndiaMART account, then automatically using that lead details, a new subscriber should be created in my ConvertKit account. So by automatically adding these IndiaMART leads to ConvertKit, I can easily send them personalized emails like product updates or special offers. This helps me stay connected with my leads, keep them engaged and increase the chances of turning them into paying customers without the hassle of manual follow-ups. So here to build this connection, I need to connect my IndiaMART account with my ConvertKit account, and here to build this connection, I am going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Plus, it keeps everything organized and error-free so you can focus on growing your business hassle-free. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this Create Workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as Add IndiaMART leads to ConvertKit as subscribers, and here I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select your folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder in Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more link given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder in Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. And here you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and now here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as IndiaMART. So IndiaMART is an online marketplace that connects buyers and sellers primarily for business and industrial products. It is like a massive digital directory where businesses can find suppliers for everything from machinery to office supplies. People use IndiaMART because it makes sourcing products and services easy, offering a wide range of options in one place. Whether you're a business looking to buy in bulk or a seller wanting to reach more customers, IndiaMART helps you find the right match quickly and efficiently. So here in my IndiaMART trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new leads, so that whenever we are going to receive a new leads in our IndiaMART account, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. Or you can say that whenever we are going to receive a new lead in our IndiaMART account, then automatically this entire workflow is going to be triggered. So here you can see after selecting my trigger event, I have received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my IndiaMART account with Pabbly Connect. Or you can say that webhook is going to act as a bridge between our IndiaMART account and Pabbly Connect. So here, following the instructions given below, firstly here I'm going to copy this webhook URL. And here I've already logged in my IndiaMART account, and here you can see the dashboard of my IndiaMART account, and from here we have to click on this lead manager option given in the left sidebar. And now after clicking on this lead manager, we have to click on this menu option given on the top left corner, and from here you have to select import or export leads, and here under import and export leads we have to select push API. Now here under this push API integration, you can see it is asking us to select a source. So here by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see all the sources which are available. So here I'm going to select my source as other. And now here you can see it is asking me to enter the CRM platform name and webhook listener URL. So here I'm going to enter my CRM platform name as Pabbly Connect. And now here after entering the CRM platform name, here it is asking me for a webhook listener URL. So here I'm going to enter the webhook URL that I have received in my Pabbly's workflow. And now here after entering the CRM platform name and webhook listener URL, I'm going to click on the save details given over here. And here you can see it is asking me for a reason that why I wish to move my IndiaMART leads to any other CRM. So for that, I'm going to click on this drop down menu, and here you can see some reasons we can select. So here I'm going to select my reason as I feel that I can permanently save the leads from IndiaMART and view later. So here I've selected my particular reason, and now I'm going to click on this click to generate OTP. And now here you can see it is asking me to enter the OTP. So here I'm going to enter the OTP. And now here after entering this OTP, here I'm going to click on this submit. And here you can see we have successfully connected our IndiaMART account with our Pabbly Connect. And here you can see this webhook listener URL. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead in our IndiaMART account. So here to generate the test lead, let me take you back to my IndiaMART account. And now here to generate the test lead, we have to click on this test your webhook listener URL over here. And from here we have to click on this test button again. And here you can see after clicking on this test button, we have received the curl request header. That means we have successfully generated a test lead in our IndiaMART account. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful response over here where we have received the status as success. We have received the unique query ID, and also we have received the subject, sender state, pin code, phone number, sender's name, rolling little town. And here you can see we have received the sender's email, country, company, city, address, rolling little town. And here you can see the query message which we have received from our lead, and also we have received the product name and some other details. So here I've received a test response because I have generated a test lead. But if you're generating the live leads, then you will receive the live response over here. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. Now here after setting up this trigger, let's move to our action step. And here in our action application, I'm going to select my action application as ConvertKit. So ConvertKit is an email marketing tool that helps bloggers and online creators send emails to their followers automatically. It lets you organize your subscribers into different groups and send them personalized messages based on their interest. ConvertKit is easy to use and helps you grow your email list effectively by tracking how well your emails performs. So here in my ConvertKit action step, I'm going to select my action event as add subscriber to a form, so that whenever we are going to receive a new lead in our IndiaMART account, then automatically using that lead details, a new subscriber is going to be created in our ConvertKit account. And now here to connect my ConvertKit with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your ConvertKit account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me to enter the API key and the API secret. So here, following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my ConvertKit account, and from here I'm going to click on my profile icon, and from here I'm going to click on this settings. And now here under the settings, scrolling little down, and here from the left sidebar, I'm going to select this developer option given over here. And here you can see under API key, we have received the API key and the API secret. So here I'm going to copy both of the details and paste in my Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see I have entered my API key and the API secret over here. So now I'm going to click on the save given over here. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So now moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the form. So here I'm going to select my form as subscriber form, and then here it is asking me to enter the first name, email and some other details. So here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response I've received in my trigger response. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive the new lead in our IndiaMART account, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here to get this first name, I'm going to search for the name over here. So this is my sender's name. Scrolling little down, here I'm going to map my sender's email. So for that I'm going to search for the email. So this is my sender's email. And then here it is asking me to enter the tags. So here I'm going to select the tag which I've already created. So this is my tag. And now here after selecting the tag, here it is asking me to enter the last name. So here this field is not a required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank. But if you want to add your lead's last name, then you can do it as per your need. And now here lastly it is asking me to enter the mobile number. So here I'm going to map my lead's phone number. For that I'm going to search for the number. So this is my lead's phone number. And now here after entering all the required data, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new subscriber in our ConvertKit account. So now let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it. Scrolling little down, and here you can see we have successfully created a new subscriber with the name Prabhat, and here you can see the email address. So with this we have successfully set up this entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as IndiaMART and our action as ConvertKit, so that whenever we are going to receive the new lead in our IndiaMART account, then automatically using that detail, a new subscriber is going to be created in our ConvertKit account. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.